Hello, everyone. I wanted to take a brief moment to give you an overview on how you will be completing this assignment. So, I've asked you to use your notes to be able to remember the different types of irony and the different types of conflict. Now, instead of making this into a Google form, I just simply used a Google Doc, and all I want you to do is to highlight the answer. So, how do you use the highlighting feature? Where's the highlighting feature? So, you're going to look up here and you notice you have different icons up here, and you'll see right after your text color, you have highlight color. Now, the way that you will use this is say you wanted to highlight this title. You will do the same thing that you would do if you were copying and pasting something. And whatever you are highlighting, you're just going to come up here and choose a color, click on that color, and then it's highlighted. So for this activity, you are allowed to highlight in the sample sentence or the question, but also don't forget to highlight your answer. You do not have to write it out. You don't have to make anything changes. Just simply highlight. And then that way I can read it. And make sure that you have answered all the questions before you click turn in. Well, that is how you use the highlighting feature. And let me know if you have any additional questions. Take care.